These are the instructions for number 3 of your toolkit. Instructions on how to launch and use an interactive Pear Deck presentation. So, first, for the activity, you will need a device and your student will need a separate device. The type of device, as in the introductory video, can be an iPad, a laptop, a computer, or a mobile phone. So, staff will copy this link. I've done Control-C to copy, and we'll paste it into Google Chrome. Google Chrome works better than Internet Explorer for this activity. So this is the Pear Deck presentation, and the goal is to collect information from the student themselves. In order for the student to access the presentation, you will have to activate the Pear Deck. So you go to Add-ons, Pear Deck, and open Pear Deck add-on. It'll open on the right-hand side, and you want to select Present with Pear Deck. This is the teacher or EA view. This is what you would be seeing on your device. So I will set up the teacher EA view on the left-hand side, and I'll open another window. And this will be the student view on the right-hand side. So we have staff view on the left, student view on their own device on the right-hand side. There's two ways for the student to open Pear Deck. They can go to this link, joinpd.com, and then enter this code, or they can copy a link. This will be a bit tricky because this shows up on your device, and they will have to enter the link exactly as shown on their own device. If they have a Google account, visiting this website and entering the code is a preferred option. So they'll need a Google account, and they can enter the code, and the student view is loading. So they can let us know how they're doing. And on the left, as staff, your job would be to start the class. You can do this with students individually or even as a small group. I would recommend individually so that you can read the questions to the students. Now, staff, you have complete control over the presentation. What I mean by that is, as you navigate through and go forwards, the student slide changes as well on their own device. So you can handle the pace, and the student, I'll just maximize their screen, is participating in their transition by providing responses. There are a few options where they can draw or type. There are different options here: highlighter, lines, text, and an eraser. And at the end, you'll see that.